Hello guys, welcome you all to the Lumion course. Myself Ritika. I'm a freelance interior designer, 3D visualizer, event planner, and also a software tutor. I teach softwares like SketchUp, V-Ray, Lumion, AutoCAD, and Photoshop. I have taught to students from different states of India as well as students in UAE. I have experience in teaching for the past 3 years. In this course, you'll be learning how to use the Lumion software, which is a 3D rendering software, and how to make rendering photos, animation videos, and also 360 panorama views. There is no need for you to know any softwares beforehand because we have designed this course in a manner that it covers from the very basic to the advanced options you have. We'll be teaching the very basic tools such as a move, rotate and place tool to the most advanced effects like creating a rainfall effect and making videos. We have arranged this course in a manner that it is made in an orderly manner, and I request you all to follow that order while you are learning. And also, guys, practice the lessons from the beginning and practice each class and then move to the next one. Only if you practice the previous class, you will understand the upcoming classes. I'll show you some of the projects which we'll be working on in this course. This is an exterior view of a house which we'll be working on this course. These are other views. This is our interior. We'll also be working on a landscape like this. And also, we'll be learning how to make 360 panorama, and this can be viewed by a website known as Chief Architect, which will also be shared with you in this course. Wish you all the very best to learn this course and also to gain the maximum knowledge from this.